social media tends to, I don't want to say ruin things, but social media tends to put a pressure on people to feel like, okay, by 22, by 23, by 24. Hi! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Erin Alexi and we're back with another video. I could have seriously cut out that intro. How are we back at that intro, you may ask? I don't know. It was the first thing that comes to mind just now. But as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing unpopular opinions for girls in their 20s. So, well, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, teens, stay tuned and let's have a quick chit chat, right? The first unpopular opinion that I have here, because I'm using it from the phone, is you don't have to have your life figured out by 25. I can strongly agree because social media tends to, I don't want to say ruin things, but social media tends to put a pressure on people to feel like, okay, by 22, by 23, by 24, I'm supposed to have my car, my apartment, or my house, my dream job, my this, my that, in which in real life, you're not supposed to all have it figured out by the age of 25. Some people, but for the persons who haven't figured it out yet, it's not too late and it's never that serious. Social media make things look all peaches and cream when it's not peaches and cream. So I agree that you don't have to have your life figured out by the age of 25. So opinion number 2. Okay, this is a good one. Not every friendship is meant to last forever. I can agree. I don't agree to everything, but it's my opinion. So comment down below your opinion. But unpopular opinion number 2 is not every friendship is meant to last forever, and I can strongly agree. Reason being, I feel like God placed different people in our life at different time just for a season or for a reason. So probably he placed Mampy, I could say Mampy. So probably he placed Mampy in our life 2016, but Mampy was just there to help me pass GSAT then. And then after me pass GSAT, me and Mampy and a friend again. Then 2025, he placed John. And then he placed John in my life to teach me a lesson. I got the lesson, then John gone. So I strongly believe like all your friends, and it doesn't have to mean that you malice them in a sense, because people grow apart from each other. So it's not necessarily, oh, we don't talk anymore or whatever. But it can be a case where you're not close anymore. So I can argue that God did not place every person in our life to last forever. So the next one is, this one says, unpopular opinion number 3, you don't need to monetize every hobby. My dear, my love, I don't know how to answer this one because coming from a girl that has a lot of businesses, I don't want to say I monetize all my hobbies because there's still things that I do for fun that is not really a business. But you know how they said your job is supposed to feel like a hobby? That's the way I look at this now. So if you enjoy doing something and you can make money from it, then why not? Why not? So for that one, I can probably say I disagree, because why not? Next one is, peace is more valuable than being liked. Agree. Peace of mind is better than being liked. Guys, I prefer to be at peace with myself than get up every day trying to please somebody else, trying to make this person like me. So if this person don't like me in a black hair, me not wear no black hair because they don't like me in a black hair, me want them like me. Then I'm not at peace with myself. Peace of mind come first. All 2026. And it should even be 2026 alone. Peace of mind should have came first. All along. From morning. Don't make nobody take on a peace of mind, guys. On to the next one. Okay, on to the next one. It says your 20s is more about learning than winning. I'm still in my 20s, so I don't know. Maybe that's true, but I feel like it can be 50-50. I feel like in your 20s, you can win and you do learn from mistakes as well. So it's not necessarily okay. It's just about learning. So everything you do, mistake, you learn from it, mistake, you learn from it. No. I feel like your 20s can be okay. In my 20s, I accomplished this, I did this, I enjoyed doing this, whatever. I lived my life, I did this. That can be done too. But if you just okay, made a mistake, learn, made a mistake, learn, made a mistake, learn. So I'm 50-50 on that one. Let's see the next one. This is a good one. I feel like we talked about it, but probably it's in my head. But comparison is mostly fueled by social media and not reality. That is so true. That is so true. So I strongly agree. Social media is what's it saying? Something like that is still a comparison. The comparison is the thief of joy. I don't remember, but there's a saying, something about comparison. I'm gonna insert it here if I remember it. But yeah, guys, I feel like a lot of people compares. Let me read it back. Yeah, I feel like social media contributes to people comparing themselves with others more than reality. Because in reality, we see the cover. I can't even say in reality only because social media, we still only see the cover of somebody's life. Okay, so in reality, I know dingy. Don't kill me for the dingy. But in reality, I know dingy. I know that dingy live in the zinc house with the mother and his father, and dingy happy. Dingy are getting lunch, in dinner, in breakfast every morning. Then on social media, let's rephrase. So dingy happy, dingy living in a zinc house. He walk go work. He so dingy happy, dingy walk go work, dingy live with his mother and his father, and dingy wearing little crush up clothes from time to time. Then on social media, dingy portray like okay, dingy live in a 5-bedroom mansion on social media, because that's what he portrays. So dingy live in our 5-bedroom mansion. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, dingy only buy food. Dingy only wear Fashion Nova and Louis Vuitton and Tory Burch. And then I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna look at Dingy like, oh my gosh, I wonder where Dingy got that Louis Vuitton from. No man, me have to get one Tory Burch like Dingy. No man, me want to live in a 5-bedroom house like Dingy. So I start to compare myself to Dingy. Not knowing that Dingy live in a little zinc house. Well, alright, I wearing crush up clothes and I walk go work. Gully don't even own a Louis Vuitton and take people picture of Louis Vuitton. Social media. Don't make social media tricking up people. It might portray one way and go the total opposite. So, better to live your life than try to live somebody else's life. That's what I believe. So, let's clock that tea. What is the next one? For the girls them, the next one is soft life still requires discipline. I can agree. Why I can agree? Alright. Soft life still requires discipline. And then, okay, everybody's soft life is different. Some people's soft life might be maintenance, so getting hair done, nails done, feel good, smell good, whatever. And then some people's soft life might be shopping, what they call it, materialistic things. That's their soft life. Yes, soft. Remember that maintenance requires money, which is expensive, and then materialistic things requires money, which is expensive also. So if you say you're on this soft life journey and you don't have no discipline, you're gonna end up put yourself down in a hole. Because everywhere you're gonna see this Tory Burch bag, you're gonna buy the Tory Burch bag because you say, alright, I'm a soft life girl and I like nice things and I like expensive things. Let me get that Tory Burch. Let me get that Tory Burch. 2 years from now you can't even afford one little Ross wristlet because you're never disciplined enough to know that your soft life, keep it on a budget and still maintain some discipline within the soft life. So soft life does require discipline, and if you guys do have different opinions on what I'm saying, or if you think I interpret most of the stuff wrong, also to comment down below. Let's have an open discussion in the comment section. But yeah, I think it does require discipline. What? The next one is okay. The next one is it's okay to change your mind multiple times. I can agree. Why I can agree? In my opinion, I think we're all humans, so I can wake up one day and be like, oh, I want to be a pastor. I feel like I'm on this journey. This is what I want to do for the rest of my life. And then next week, I can get up and be like, well, I want to be a teacher. Or, I want to do ballet dancing. I don't want to be a pastor anymore. Who are you to judge? Like, who is somebody else to judge your life and be like, she can't make up her mind? Or she can't figure it out by now? Or every day she'll choose something different. I think it's okay to not know what you want and still trying to figure it out. So I believe it's okay to change your mind as much time as you want to. If you want to change it 50 times a week until you figure it out, change it 50 times a week until you figure it out. Don't make nobody stop you. Okay, so the last and final one is being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Listen, being alone doesn't always mean you're lonely. I can say I agree. Not because I stay to myself or I don't have 50 million friends or a big friend group or I go out and do solo dates and do stuff by myself mean that I'm lonely, quote unquote. Guys, sometimes not having the big friend group is one that we said before, but it says your timeline doesn't need to match anyone else's. Lead back to the question of not having it together by the age of 25. So, not because you got married at 30, bought your house at 25, have children at 23, mean that I should come and if I don't get married at 30, something wrong with me. If I don't buy the house at 25, something wrong with me. If I don't have kids by 23, my womb can't produce kids. So, I don't believe that your timeline should match with anyone else. God placed we, planned our lives, and we're just here living the life that He curated for us. So, who am I to say, oh, she have pitney when she had 30, I mean I have pitney yet. Something right. So, that's just my opinion. don't forget. So that's just my opinion. Win some, lose some. Comment down below your opinions in the chat. As you can see, we're at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click the post notification button to be notified when we post our next video. Also, comment down below video ideas that you guys want to see, if you guys want to see anything. Bye.